This is the Nissan Maxima.
Took my time walking, didn't sweat too much.
What an awesome design. This is a 3.5 liter dual overhead 24 valve 6 V6 engine with 300 horsepower, 261 foot-pounds of torques, up to 30 miles per gallon. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, intelligent cruise control, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, Bose premium audio, traffic sign recognition, intelligent trace control, and active ride control, remote engine start, system with intelligent climate control, Nissan advanced drive assist display, and Nissan Connect services. What a machine. Let's walk around again at this beautiful sedan that Nissan has made. Let's take a look inside, folks. Nissan with illuminated Maxima sills. This is amazing. And this is real leather. It's not like the fake stuff because it has the smooth touch and not the little perforations that you see inside of the other leather. And it's also air cooled as per the perforations in the seats. These are the air cooled seats controls. And it has the speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different selections for the driver and the passenger. Here's the manual, the controls, the start stop button. Oh shit. I started it. Turn it down. Let's turn it off. As you can see, the controllers have been turned off. And it's letting me know that the door is open. Let's close it. And therefore the noise will cease. And it obviously has the keys in it. This right here is the USB USB port. There's my road manager out there.
Oh yeah.
There she is.
Well, my husband is my road manager. He's like, okay, I need to get paid.
And this right here is the steering wheel. And look at the leather surfaces. The source and all that. This right here is the deep pocket. And actually let's look and see how deep. Let's see how deep this trunk this compartment is. That's how deep it is, folks. And you have a place to put coins. As you can see right here. You can slide your coins into place. I have to zip my pockets, otherwise things will fall out. This is sort of flimsy, but it is nice. Let's see, did it? Oh, and it slides back. Oh, that's supposed to be a compartment.
My brother and my son both live in Tampa. I have a brother. He owns a Gulf Coast Designs. They do like what do they call not luxury, he does like the wheels for cars. What is that word? Not luxury, but vanity.
Proximity sensor for the trunk. And this.
Vanity wheels, the front bumper things, the bumpers, what are those called? The grills. Yeah. Grills. And sometimes the steering wheels as well. Beautiful stuff. Perfect. Gulf Coast design. He does, you know, and he's a small business owner, and so yeah, no, he's very good at it. He just took on a partner so he could grow some more, you know, so he could grow a little bit more.
I'm gonna hit the start button.